Hello, my name is Renalyn Sanchez and I will be telling you about the video sharing app called Vimeo. Why would you want Vimeo for? Vimeo is a video sharing app just like YouTube but with some differences. There are no ads, which is probably one of the biggest differences that I've noticed. The quality of the videos are a lot better since it is the first to support high definition videos. Most people who use Vimeo are more serious about how their videos look or the videos that they want to view, considering the quality is a lot better and it isn't all about how many likes and subscribers you gain. The Vimeo community seems to be more mature and has a more professional user base. How does Vimeo connect me with others? Just like many other social media apps and websites, you are able to follow other users as well as have others follow you. Comments and likes are able to be left on videos, and you can see who comments and likes the same videos as well. But wait, there are also a few downfalls to Vimeo. Some videos can actually be trailers and need to be purchased first before viewing. It is also a bit pricier than other video streaming sites if you decide to pay to get Vimeo Plus, Pro, or Business. And, of course, its number one competitor would be YouTube, so not all videos may become as viral and well known. Some awesome little treats and features on Vimeo are that if you already have a Facebook or Google account, you can easily sign up. The site itself is very well organized, with different categories and easy to navigate around. Another feature that I'm not sure if many apps have is the offline option. With this, you can save a video to a separate category in case of there not being any Wi-Fi or internet. This can help a lot when taking long flights. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoyed my input on the Vimeo app and try it out for yourself.